Rich Tehrani with TMC here. We're at Cloud Expo Santa Clara 2012. Thanks for watching. I've got with me Peter with SUSE, and we're going to talk a little bit about what they're doing at the show. Peter, how are you?
Great, Rich, thanks.
So tell me a little bit about what people are seeing in your booth at this event.
Sure, so we've announced SUSE Cloud, which is an OpenStack-based solution for private cloud, but it's fully enterprise-ready, fully supported by our engineering and our support staff.
Excellent, and so two of the options that companies will talk about are OpenStack versus CloudStack. Was there any deliberation there?
Not really. We felt that OpenStack had the strongest community, which is what we really look at. I mean, SUSE has been in the business of delivering open source solutions to enterprise customers for 20 years. SUSE Linux Enterprise Server has been in the market that long, and we felt that OpenStack fit our model the best of fully open source, open development, community collaborative environment that we can participate in and take to our customers.
So for the viewers out there thinking about working with you, what makes them the right candidate? In other words, is there a certain mold that they need to fit into to be the right kind of company to work with you?
Well, typically the customers that are looking for cloud solutions tend to be highly virtualized already, so they've already made the commitment to a lot of virtualization. They're potentially looking at having multiple hypervisors in their environment. They understand open source, they have an open source commitment or an open source bias, and in general they're just ready to start looking at a cloud solution that they can help drive their infrastructure going forward.
Now, when you look at the types of industries that are out there, are there any industries that are more likely to be interested in working with you, like maybe manufacturing or financial?
So our strength is largely, in general, there's no specific vertical that's particularly focused on cloud. We see it across all the verticals. SUSE tends to be strong in manufacturing, some financials, a lot of government. So we're seeing interest across all of our install base in cloud at this point.
Now, is this the cloud that you built from scratch? You have your own data centers, or are you partnering with someone else?
This is primarily targeted at customers that want to build their own data centers and use cloud to manage that infrastructure. So for the most part, it's enterprises. We are talking to some service providers that want to stand up OpenStack-based public clouds as well.
So basically, that would be, the enterprise would be private clouds, right?
Yes. Yes.
So private clouds, and then if you have some potential resellers of your services, then they would be potentially public clouds or maybe hybrids.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, so what other sorts of things can we expect in the future from SUSE?
Well, we'll certainly track the upstream OpenStack releases as they come out. We have some tools, SUSE Studio and SUSE Manager, that we think are particularly suitable for a cloud environment in terms of building images for the cloud and then managing images across, you mentioned hybrid cloud, across a public or a private cloud environment, and we'll be providing more and more integration with those tools and our cloud solution.
Very good. Thank you so much for your time today, Peter. This was great.
Great talking to you.